Tired of YouTube videos buffering right when it gets good? Whether you're trying to watch tutorials, music, or Netflix-like shows, buffering kills the vibe. Today, I'll explain the reason why YouTube videos keeps buffering and show you 5 proven fixes that can boost your speed instantly. Let's get your YouTube smooth again. Before we fix it, let's diagnose why YouTube videos keep buffering. The first reason is an unstable or poor network. A weak or inconsistent internet connection can't keep up with video streaming, causing frequent pauses and buffering. Second, too many browser caches and cookies lead to the issue. Accumulated cache and cookies can slow down your browser, disrupting smooth video playback. Third, overloaded servers. If YouTube's servers or your ISP's network are experiencing heavy traffic, video delivery can lag, leading to buffering. Last but not least, the video player is outdated. Using an old or unsupported video player or browser version can cause compatibility issues, preventing videos from loading smoothly. You've got reasons for YouTube video buffering. Now let's show you how to fix the issue in 5 ways. Tip 1. Check and fix the internet connection. The network issue should be the key factor in video buffering most time. You can turn airplane mode on and off to refresh the network, reset network settings on your phone or tablet, reconnect Wi-Fi or Ethernet on your computer, or restart the router. Tip 2. Close apps and other browser windows. If your computer is performing many tasks or running many programs at the same time, it might not have the capacity to play videos smoothly. Close everything except YouTube. Tip 3. Reduce video quality. When there is insufficient bandwidth to support the intended video resolution, the video may buffer or pause while the player downloads more data. 4K looks great, but if your internet sucks, adjust the quality of YouTube videos from 2160p to 1080p or 720p. Tip 4. Clear browser cache and cookies. Your browser stores junk files that slow down YouTube. Clear browser cache and cookies to try to fix this issue. Tip 5. Use a VPN for YouTube. As mentioned before, your ISP might be throttling YouTube. Using a VPN can help connect to a fast server to optimize your loading speed and help you solve video buffering issues. So we highly recommend UFO VPN in this video, which provides more than 2,000 servers and sticks to military-level encryption and a stringent no-logs policy. Click the link in the description to download UFO VPN. Next, launch UFO VPN on your device. Choose a server for watching YouTube. We recommend the US server. Finally, connect UFO VPN on your device and enjoy your YouTube journey. Now you can watch YouTube without rage quitting. If this helped, smash that like button and tell me in the comments which tip worked best. Want more tech fixes? Subscribe and hit the bell.